Whatever. Anyways, and I put on my wig cap. I've already bleached it. Need to show you all my moves, huh? Like I was here, I'm around you. Like I was here, I'm around you. Steve where? Steve where? Steve where? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I look like an egg. But anyway, I have school tomorrow and I'm trying to install a wig, so I decided to make a video. Okay, I don't know if it turns out good. I'll post it if it doesn't. But yeah, let's get into the video. It's an old wig, so I'm just revamping it. Alright, let's get right into the video, guys. So first you'd want to push your edges back because you don't want to snatch from the wig. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm pushing my edges back with the glue. It's a gel, but it looks not glue. Whatever. Anyways, and I put on my wig cap, as you should, because we want to do the bald method. Cutting on my eyes. Doing too much. Put on the spray. This spray is a lifesaver, bro. Like, you need this a lot. Like, you're gonna use it throughout the whole process. I use it a lot. I use it for a lot of things, so you guys are gonna see. So I'm gonna use my toe comb to comb it back, like to spread the glue, and then you want to dry it. You want to put it on cold, and then I'm cutting the excess caps because we don't need those. Cutting, cut. And then after I cut it, I'm just gonna go ahead and then put on my foundation. I don't really know my foundation shade. I don't know my shade, so these two combinations, like the mixture, is the closest thing I know to my skin. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Just spread it to make your head look bald, like, you know. So that's what I'm doing right now. I want to spread it evenly. It doesn't really look like my skin, but hey, you work with what you have. You want to put it in the middle or whatever I want your part to be. I'm gonna go for a middle part today, so I'm putting some over there, and then you spray again. Any lifting caps, like any part of it that is lifting, that will make it go back down because you want everything to be steady. So you dry. Give us a little moves. Okay, so I'm about to clean it. I'm using hydrogen peroxide. I wouldn't advise that you use it. I think you should use alcohol, because when I used it, I started having some white stuff on my head. So I wouldn't advise that you use that, but that's what I had, so I had to use it. So we just clean our forehead to make sure that when we put the glue, everything can stick, you know. This is the glue that I use, and then I'm just gonna put it around, and then I'm gonna spread it. I know this is not the best way of putting it on. I just really don't know how to do it right, but that's just how I do it. And then you spread evenly. Make sure every place gets it. Spread it evenly, and then you dry it. Make sure it's like clear. So you see how it's white now, it's gonna be clear. And then you give it a second coat, and then it depending on how long you want it. I'm gonna keep mine for like a week, so yeah. And then you dry it again. Dry. And then this is the wig. I've already bleached it and everything, so I didn't really want to add any foundation to it. That's me dancing or whatever that was. Bro, oh my god, this girl.
Hey,
oh my god.
Huh.
Need to show you all my moves, huh? Okay, so I'm just adjusting the elastic band because, as you can see, my head is really tiny, and then the cap is so big. Like, the wig is so very much big. So yeah, and then you put it on. Like, you must be very careful because if you're not careful, you're gonna like just mess it up. Because I almost did, because your whole forehead is really, really sticky right now. So you want to do it bit by bit. Trust the process. Trust the process. I know it's not giving, but, and like I said, I use the Got to Be Glued a lot, the spray, a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. To tie it down, I use this, and then I use a little edge thingy. I don't know the name, sorry. I'll figure it out and then write it down. Like I wrote here, I'ma ride you like I wrote you. You know what that TikTok? Like I said, I tie mine twice because I want it to be melted, like to melt into my skin, period. Because that's what we're going for. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and comb it. As you can see, this wig is like a year old, so you can tell that it's gone through a lot. I only wore it like once, but you can see it's a freaking struggle. I'd advise that you always use the middle of your nose to pat it, because like it makes it really straight and perfect. So that's what I do. That's a little hack for you guys if you don't already know. But yeah. Steve where? Oh. 1, 2, 3. I'm just kidding. But yay. No, tell me you don't see that melt. You can see it literally melted into my skin like quit playing. You know you see it. You know you see it. But yeah, let's go ahead and style it. I'm using this again just to clean like all the excess glue or anything that I would have on my forehead. Just make everything neat and clean. Can you see the white cast thingy that I was talking about? I can see. I don't know if you guys see, but yeah, so I'd advise that I just use real alcohol. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair because we want it to be laid and flat, period. You know what I mean? Alright, this is my edge booster. It's just hair wax. Like, this one smells so good, y'all. Like, I got it in pineapple and it smells so good. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it on so I can like actually hot comb it, because when you hot comb it, it makes it like really sleek and like movie, you know, like it makes it like bouncy. So yeah, we all need that. Also, this is a hack. Like, see how I'm doing this? Like, I just think it makes a big difference, bro. Like, it makes the parts really clean. I know I'm not the only one who does this, but this is a hack. If you don't do it, like, please try doing this, because like it's really clean. Like, it just makes everything neat. But yeah, it's not really showing in the camera, but I can see white stuff from the, what is it called, hydrogen peroxide. So I'm about to clean that up with contour. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So in case this happens to you, this is a hack. Just use contour or whatever you have, foundation, to just like clean it up, and then spray it and then tie it up. That's what I said. Spray it and tie it up and you're good to go.
No edges.
I'm not doing the edges and stuff today because I have school tomorrow, and I'm gonna do that. I just want to do that. I'm not gonna show you what hair. I'm just kidding. You know, she ate that period, but like this is what it looks like after I had styled it, curled it, and everything. This video was kind of chaotic, but it's okay. I tried my best. But I know it's not really giving scalp, but I'm about to go to sleep. Who's about to do all that extra stuff and go to sleep? Not me. I have school tomorrow, so I'm gonna show you how it looks tomorrow. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, I'll leave that to you. Bye guys, love you.